Gotta come here. Hmm?
I do that. Daddy, I just do that. I do that. Keep going. Daddy, you need to go in there. Just gotta go over there. Daddy.
Those are class.
Seats, cabine, assertif,
Plus hommes de
planning, tout ce qui est
ça.
généralement, tu fais ça quand tu...
We're headed to the Warzone.
Yeah!
Geared up. Stand by.
Alright, Cam. Be stuff already, go. Yeah, Cam.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the Warzone has been authorized.
Where are we going?
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point. Go get after it. Gas is closing on your position. Just hightail it out of there. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Moving this way. No, go down, go down, go down. Right here, just go down.
Targets are up. Go take them down.
Come, I'll pick you up, okay?
Eliminate hostiles and secure supply cache.
Get after the ground, we're gonna buy. Oh, nobody's trying it to us. I bet you is the problem. Oh, somebody's over there.
Careful. Area is hot.
You wanna go get him? Ah! Alright, let's go. No, let's just wait for the. Let's not researching.
Priority tasking request received. We're done.
Let's just go and finish it and buy the load up. I'm up round. Do you see that? Jump! Oh shit, never mind, you're alright. I should jump, baby. You'll be alright here. Oh my god, Louis is really...
Oh, bro, somebody's here. Trap over here. What is coming? Coming.
Oh my god, are you serious? Why there's...
Me too.
Yo, bro, that's fucking bullshit. Like, one fucking shot is stupid as fuck.
Welcome to the Gulag. Fight to win
Gulag.
redeployment.
How the fuck you one-shot me on that, bro? You shot behind my bag and it's like, I died like a fucking bot, man.
Here we go. Be ready. You're next.
He's in the middle. He's in the middle. Yeah.
Earn redeployment or die trying.
Fuck this, bro. This way too fast, man. Why we cannot see the damage, like the fucking armor plate on Battle Royale, bro? Fuck you, Call of Duty. Fuck you.
Fucking bitch.
Like you cannot even see the fucking armor taking away.
Hard that time.
This game is
Dust
stupid
yourself
as
off,
fuck.
regroup, and get back out there.
Those fucking 6 young motherfuckers look the screen. We need the old guys to come back because the new guys making this game stupid as fuck. Cam, do you know what I'm talking about?
No, bro.
There's old people used to run this shit, bro. Now it's fucking couple young guys. That's why it's so stupid, like. Now it's fucking new motherfucking young guys, and they're on it. They put sharks, fucking bear head, fucking little fucking. You stupid as fuck. What's up, Louis? Those fucking production right now in Call of Duty is young, and you can see it, their face on the. Sometimes they put it on the screen. Those motherfucking creators, bro. Those are the creators. They all work together and make. It's not only one guy. It's like a couple motherfuckers, like. Yo, Louis. Louis, my man, you back?
Use this time for some
ready?
target practice. Real quick stuff.
Louis, back.
Movement here.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Enemy soldier incoming. Got 10 squads active in the city. Resurgence. Stay alive.
Hell,
Like the whole map was saying, bro. Like, ain't too many people running there. Y'all motherfuckers worried about what we got going on.
Alright.
Eyes on enemy. Target down. Marking the rest of them.
That is TV. I need cover, bro.
Sorry.
Oh god.
Yeah. Fucking boosted at me, bro. I downed him and the other guy fuck. Hey, DDP. Get you stuck with your ass over here and talk to us. Play solo on himself. Yo, Louis, not Louis, little kid, TV.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Bring your stupid ass over here. Dude, I was thinking about it. Goodbye, loadout.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Yeah.
Gas is inbound.
There's a
Everybody wants to stop. We want to take it away. Load
Friendly
out.
loadout
Get
drops
back
on
to
the
the
way.
load out.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
He died too.
Squad mates MIA.
Head back to the load out.
Redeployment site.
Go again.
Rear.
Eyes on enemy.
There.
That little bit left.
remaining. Hunters down.
I let him revive him.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Look at that eyes, man.
Good kill. Marking the rest of the attack map. Get hunting.
That's me shooting, bro.
Target
He's on the
down.
chopper.
Marking the rest of
Fuck him up then. Yeah. The fuck
He's
I'm
down.
talking
He's down.
about.
enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest
On the
of them.
tank.
Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Right, boy. Went in there. I got him. I need cover, boy.
Hey.
Cover.
Enemy soldier incoming. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Ammo here!
Enemy UAV is online.
Eyes on enemy!
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
God.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Yeah, right, bro. You right?
Dropping into the area.
What's up?
He's right, bro.
Buy station prices are adjusted.
He's down.
Enemy UAV is online. We have reinforcements inbound.
Oh my God. Fuck. I'm clear.
Hold on.
Hey, there's people on our loadout. Watch out.
Let's go!
SDR, ready for launch.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
He's running away.
Enemy, visual.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemy mark.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Time to fly 5 seconds. Out.
Enemy UAV overhead. All squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Get a UAV on grid.
UAV off.
Fire solution was bad. Miss.
Enemy UAV is online. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, we broke off her the control, bro.
Enemy, visual.
5 squads still operational in the AR. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game.
Alright, stay here. We good. This is our spot. We got a spot clear. Watch that
Movement
fight
here.
station so we don't buy no motherfuckers, bro.
Fuck, I know this man.
Careful. Area is hot. Movement here.
Your squad mate is redeploying.
Alright,
Well done.
There you go.
Enemy marked.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Got gas moving in.
Vehicle marked.
Right there. Oh, you're running away. What
Watch
the
out, sniper.
fuck?
You've made it to the top 10.
Sorry, sniping, bro. Come on in, dummy. Wait until they come in.
Scared. They're not gonna. There they
Here
are.
they come.
Guns are last.
They're sniping.
3 squads left in the
Break,
war
break,
zone.
break.
Stay
They got on
alert.
the.
Where? Down. Good to see. He's variable.
Hey, sir, watch out, watch out.
Gotta pray it up.
Your squad's in the safe zone.
Yup. We go.
Another one at the chopper area.
Yeah.
Cover me, cover me. Come over here, come over here.
FFE, danger close. Over.
Where they at?
Only 2 teams play.
Yeah.
Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
Nice.
All enemy squads
Oh,
eliminated.
That's crazy.
That was my one.
3 versus 4.
Oh, nice, bro.
Oh, that's on live, bro. That's gotta be quick.